Hi, I'm Adam with PangolinComputers, and I want to introduce you to the Lee & Lee O11 Dynamic. This is a limited edition case with 2,000 units, and since I can't find an unboxing of it on YouTube, I have no idea what number I got or what's in it. Let's find out. So, now that we've got it out of the box, since there are only 2,000 of these, let's find out what number I got. I'm going to try and be as careful as possible not to touch the case anywhere because it's a mirror and I don't have gloves on. It will likely catch every fingerprint that touches it. I found a box, some Velcro tie downs, some thumb screws, and special edition number 354. So I got the three I wanted and I'm extremely happy. We can go either Der Bauer and give him all the credit for this excellent design, or PC Master Race, the subreddit that inspired the collaboration. The O11 Dynamic comes with electroplated side panels and mirror-plated glass, and lucky for you, that means twice the peels. The O11 Dynamic is still the same case that you fell in love with 2 years ago. It comes with a dual chamber design, allowing you to hide the power supply behind the motherboard tray without adding height to the case. The O11 Dynamic comes with 2 solid-state drive cages. It also has a hot swappable 3¼ inch drive bay, a cable management bracket, and support for 360mm radiators in the back, 360mm radiators in the bottom, and 360mm radiators in the top. The O11 Dynamic was announced in January with almost no information behind it. We didn't know that it was a collaboration behind Pcmr, we didn't know that it was limited to 2,000, and we had no idea when it was going to come out. Fast forward to about a week ago, and here she is. But about a week before that, the closest thing we had to any idea this was coming out was a nondescript tweet from the owner of the Pcmr subreddit. So, unfortunately for me, I didn't see that tweet and had to wait for an influencer on YouTube to post a video allowing me to procure one from Newegg. Why would you want this? Well, if you're gonna spend all kinds of money on Chrome RAM, 32 RGB fans, 9 in this case, you want something cool to put it in. It's Chrome! Do I have to say anything else?